to see the detail of the grammar that we will learn today. The first we are going to see the grammar of HODO. The grammar of HODO is mean degree or extent, bounds or upper limit. It means the upper limit or extent or degree. That means what your ability can do. Then how to use in Japanese, they will use the verb, noun and adjective with the HODO. And when you use the verb with the HODO, you can use in the casual form and noun past tense. That means not the past tense, they don't use with the HODO. And when you use the noun, just use in that form, nothing change. And you can use na adjective but end by na and followed by HODO. And for the adjective, you just use and that form, nothing change, and end by HODO. And for the HODO, you can use in kanji or in hiragana, as you see here. So when you see in hiragana or in kanji, don't confuse. It has the same meaning, such as degree, extent, bounds, upper limit, something like this. The HODO is mean the level that something could be possible. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of HODO, the next, let's go to see some sample together. The first example, 君ほど美しい人はいません。君ほど美しい人はいません。Which means there is no one that rivals your beauty. There is no one that rivals your beauty. The next example, 死ぬほどの動画が湧いている。死ぬほどの動画が湧いている。Which means I'm so thirsty I could die. I'm so thirsty I could die. For the sentence that 死ぬほど喉が渇いている。Nodo is mean throat, your throat. Kawatari is mean you thirsty. You are thirsty. So you are very thirsty to the level that you die. Something like this. And for the first sentence, you see that HODO, before HODO is kimi. Kimi is mean you. That they use the noun or the pronoun, right? The pronoun that kimi HODO. So we use the noun with HODO. 君ほど美しい人はいません。There is no one that lowers your beauty. That means nobody could beauty as your beauties. Something like this. So the HODO is mean to measure the level or something that you compare with something. And it's not no evidence that something is good or better than something, but it's from your opinion, it's from your idea that something is better than something. And for the second sentence, they say shinu hodo. Shinu is the noun in dictionary form. So they can use the verb with hodo. The next, 今年ほど雨の降った年はなかった。今年ほど雨の降った年はなかった。This means it rained more this year than more than any other year. It rained more this year than any other year. 今年ほど雨の降った年はなかった。This mean 今年 is mean now, right? Now plus ほど。雨の降った年 this mean the year like this year, right? The year that you compare to another year. So this year, 今年 is mean this year, right? This year is rain so much, and seen in the past until now, no any year rain so much like this year, something like this. So this is just from your opinion, not you use any device to measure the detail of the reality that what happened, but just from your opinion. The next, 年を取るほど体が弱くなる。年を取るほど体が弱くなる。年を取るほど体が弱くなる。Which means my body becomes weaker as I grow older. My body becomes weaker as I grow older. This means 取るほど取る is mean take older. 年を取る this means you get older. They use the noun, the verb 取る with ほど, right? For this sentence. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。